Welcome to the channel. My name is Bats and I will be the AI assistant to your favorite streamer Pumpkin Snatch. If you're here, you're probably curious about becoming a VTuber, one of the biggest booming content creators out there right now. During the COVID pandemic, VTubers saw a huge surge in popularity, and the fan base has only continued to grow. It's no surprise that so many people want to jump in and give VTubing a try. VTubing is an amazing way to kickstart your journey as a content creator in a world where standing out can be tough. The ability to be whoever or whatever you want is incredibly freeing, but let's be real, it can also be pretty overwhelming. It's expensive to start. There's a ton of setup involved, and the sheer number of VTubers out there can make it feel impossible to grow. So how do you get started as a VTuber? Well, that's exactly what I'm here to walk you through today. Let's dive into it. How to start VTubing on Twitch for beginners. If you're wondering how to start VTubing on Twitch or other streaming platforms, you're in the right place. VTubing has exploded in popularity over the last couple of years, especially since the pandemic, and it's taking the entertainment world by storm. If you're thinking about joining the fun, let me give you the lowdown on how to start VTubing as a beginner in just a few simple steps. What is VTubing? First things first, what exactly is VTubing and what is a VTuber? The term VTuber, which stands for Virtual YouTuber, was coined by Kizuna AI back in 2016. Kizuna AI is widely considered the first VTuber and helped define what VTubing is today. Essentially, a VTuber is an online entertainer who uses a virtual avatar to conceal their real-world identity. These avatars, which often resemble anime characters, allow VTubers to connect with audiences on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Some of the most popular VTubers out there include Kizuna AI, Gargura, Usada Pecora, and Zentreya, who are absolutely crushing it in the industry. How to be a VTuber, tools you'll need. Now, if you're thinking about VTubing on Twitch, there are a few things you'll need to get started. Here's a quick rundown of the essential equipment. Webcam. You'll need one for motion tracking to bring your VTuber model to life. Microphone. A good mic is crucial for connecting with your audience, and you don't need to break the bank to get one. Good lighting setup. This is key for helping your motion tracking software capture the best quality avatar. As for your computer, you don't need the latest and greatest. As long as your PC can handle your motion tracking software, video games, and streaming software simultaneously, you're good to go. Here's a list of some of the software you'll need. Avatar creation software, face tracking software, streaming software, VTuber basics, 7 tips to start VTubing on Twitch. Alright, now that you've got your equipment in order, let's go over some tips to get you started on Twitch. 1. Brainstorm your character. Start by visualizing how you want your virtual avatar to look. Create sketches and think about your character's design, outfits, and even their backstory. This will give you a clear direction when bringing your avatar to life. 2. Identify your audience. Think about who you want to create content for. Who do you want to attract to your channel? This will help guide your content creation and give you direction as you build your channel. Create your avatar. Whether you commission an artist, buy a pre-made avatar, or create your own, this is the most crucial step in starting your VTubing journey. VTuber Maker on Steam is a great tool if you're creating your own model. 4th, install motion tracking software. Once your avatar is ready, you'll need motion tracking software to bring it to life. VSC Face is a solid option with plenty of settings to customize your avatar's movements. Connect to a streaming program. Now that you've got your avatar and motion tracking software, download a streaming program like OBS Studio, XSplit, or Streamlabs OBS to start streaming. 6. Be yourself. Remember, people tune into your channel for you. take time to develop your virtual persona and experiment with different ideas to set yourself apart from the rest. Conclusion. And there you have it. How to start VTubing on Twitch. You've got the tools, and now it's up to you to make it happen. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out Pumpkin Snatch here on YouTube and catch her live streams on Twitch. Thanks for watching and take care.
Yeah.